Hey, Loopline here, and I want to go over the malware and phishing filter add-on. So if you don't have the add-on installed, you can go to add-ons and show available add-ons, and then once it downloads, you get the list, and you find the add-on in the list, click install, and away you go. Once it's installed, you go to add-ons, and you go to malware and phishing filter add-on, and then it'll pop open. And what I've done here is I went ahead and harvested a few URLs here in the background. And once it's open here, we can see we have the option to load URLs, and then I'm just going to do from Harvester, but you can use it from other options here, like the poster, blog list, and from the actual file. And so I'm going to turn connections down a little bit here. I'm just going to go at like 20, for instance, make it simple. And what's going to happen here is we see our URLs, we see whether or not it's hosted malware, site status, and then regular status. So let's just hit start and let it run. So you can see whether or not it hosted malware, and then the site status itself, and then status right now. So for instance, this is yellow, and at one point it has hosted malware, but it's clean right now, so that's why it's yellow. Any ones that you see that are red, which I don't have any here in the list, are actual sites that are hosting malware right now. So basically, you can use this add-on if you wanted to run it through Slow Poster and you're having a problem, because Slow Poster uses Internet Explorer, and that just is problematic in general when it comes to malware and stuff. Fast Poster doesn't have those kind of issues, but or maybe you just want to clean it for various other reasons, make sure you have a clean list, whatever. So what the malware and phishing filter does is it actually connects to a Google-based database, and it runs the sites to see if the site currently is known to be hosting malware. Now, of course, it's not up to the minute real time, but it's reasonably accurate. Now, since it does use a Google-based database, your IP can get banned. So this add-on does use proxies, and if you're using a very large list, then I would definitely recommend here in ScrapeBox to load in some proxies and tick off the use proxies box. As far as how it actually works, that's it. It's pretty basic. Once it's done, you have filtering options, removing error sites, bad sites, error sites only, untested sites, that sort of thing. And then you can save off, of course, sending them back to the harvester. You can save the bad URLs, you can save them to a file and that sort of thing. But that is how the malware and phishing filter add-on works.